Hello everyone. Today we are here to demonstrate our computer project. We are the members of group number 5, which is made of 3 members. Firstly, me, Devanshu Sharma, Rupesh Kumar, and Susmit Samanta. Moving on to the contents of our presentation, the first thing we'll talk about is the problem statement. Then we'll talk about the topic, and moving on to algorithms and flowcharts. Then we'll have a look on the source code and the output of our code. Then we'll talk about the modules that we covered, and we'll end with the learnings that we had from this project. So the problem statement. The problem statement that motivated us to make this project was how to keep check on the phone bills and verified subscribers. So we came up with an idea of phone billing system which tracks our billing and help us to recharge. So now I would like to invite Susmit, who will tell you about the topic.
Hello everyone, myself Susmit Samanta. This phone book application aims to create a practical and efficient tool for managing phone billing. By using C programming, we have developed a robust and customizable solution. This project will enhance our understanding of switch case, structures, if-else ladders, and other uses in C programming. Now we come to the algorithm. First of all, we'll display the main menu, welcoming the user and entering the details of the user to verify them. Then we will verify the user using our database. Then we will display the charge table and prompt the user to enter a choice as per his requirements to recharge. Then we will display him the total charges including fixed costs and variable costs as per his choice. Then we will display the calculated amount to the user. Then we will display various payment options and prompt the user to select a payment. We will then select a payment method and enter the payment details. If the payment details are verified, then the planned recharge will be successful and the recharge will be successful.
So now let's have a look on the flowchart, which would help us to understand the project better. Firstly, we'll start the code, and the code would ask the user for its verification. If the user is not verified, the user is asked to register first with the website, and the code would terminate. If the user is verified, then we'll further proceed to the selection of the plans from ISD, local or postpaid choices. After that, the code will display the charge table, and after the displaying of charge table, the user had to select any of the service type from the displayed charges. Then after that, the users have to input their time duration and data usage, for what time do they need the recharge. Then after that, the code will calculate the total charges, and after the calculation of total charge, the users will choose the payment method, which are EMI, UPI, credit card and debit card. After that, the payment would be processed, and then the code would terminate by recharging the customer. Now we'll have look on the topics that we covered in this project. The first we covered was the file handling for the database of the verified subscribers. Then we had used string manipulation, structures, functions, arrays, switch statements, input output, conditional statements and loops for the better performance of our code.
Then we come to the contributions of our project. As you can see from the table, we have all worked very hard for the completion of this project.
Hello, I am Rupesh Kumar. From here on, I will explain all program related aspects. So let's begin from database. It is our database. Then there are some source code snippets. As you can see, we have used function frequently. These are our switch case statements, and this is our structure example and loop in structure. So let's Okay, here is our code. First of all, we have included two libraries, stereo and string. Then we have made the function to display local charge table. In this, we have print the local telecom charge plans. After that, we also have made structure to store user details, then function to load user details from a file. It will print error if the file cannot be opened. Then we will read user detail from the file. Then we will return the number of user loaded. Then we make the function to verify user details. In this, we will compare the input name and number with the stored details. If the user verified, it will print further. If not, the output section will break. Then we have made the function to display ISD charge table. In this, we will print the ISD telecom charge plans. Then we have made the function to calculate charges for local time. In this, we have used service switch type case. Again, we have used switch type in ISD plans. Then we have made the function to calculate postpaid charges. Then function to calculate fixed cost based on duration, like fixed cost for 1 month, fixed cost for 1 year with discount. Then we have made function to calculate variable cost based on users. Then we have made the function to process debit card payment. Then we have made process credit card short amount, function to process credit card payment. Then we have made the function to process UPI payment and same for EMI payment. Then we have made function to handle payment, in which we will give 4 options to the users what he want to choose as a payment method. Like we use switch case in this. Then in main, we have made the array to hold up to 100 users. If it will exit if the user could not be handled, file could not be loaded. Then this is our, like, we will print total number of users, and we have used switch case to display all the things. That's all for our code. Let's see our output section. First of all, we will enter name, their number. If user verified successfully, then we will get 3 options: telecom charge table, ISD and postpaid. I will press ISD. Then if we press ISD, there will be a telecom charges table. Then we will get service type. I will press 3. For duration, I will press 10 months. And enter users, I will choose 50. Then we will get 4 options as payment. I will choose credit card. Then I will press credit card number. Then expiry date of credit card. CVV of credit card. As you can see, credit card payment successful, or rupees 4000. Let me show our output section if the user does not match. I will press random number. As you can see, verification failed, and if you want to enjoy our services, please register your name and number in our database. That's all in our program output section.
So here are our learnings from this project. We learned the concepts of error handling, functions, switch case, if-else if ladder, flowcharts, code optimization, structures and file handling. So here are some errors we experienced during this project. First, we used the while loop in file handling to match the database, but it was only reading 1 character. So we used the function strcmp of string module to read and compare the data. We have optimized the errors and made the code seamless. So we have also learned error handling during this project. Here is the GitHub link to check out the project we have all made together. Thank you.